Hello, everyone, and welcome to Tailored Acres. I'm Taylor, and I am a gardener in Wisconsin Zone 4B. And today I'm going to be working on my winter porch pots. This is something I look forward to doing now. Last year was really the first year I put a lot of thought and effort into it, and you all loved watching it. So, what I like to do is reuse things year to year, and then also use my Christmas tree trimmings off the bottom for the majority of the greens in my pots. It saves a lot of money and it doesn't waste anything. So I'm going to actually show you what I have from last year and my trimmings, and then we're going to go out and forage for a couple new things. So here are my pile of trimmings, and I usually get a Fraser fir, and I thought that's what I got. And even though these look blue, I think it was a balsam, which really was a surprise to everyone. So I have those greens. I have these magnolia leaves that I got last year from Michael's, as well as these cones, and we just took paint and then coated them so that you can see them. These were sticks that I cut out of the woods last year. And then I had these berries from last year too, which did not do super well, but now they look like they're frosted, which is kind of fun. So here I have some cedar that just is kind of growing wild, kind of scraggly looking, but I see that cedar is very popular in porch pots this year, so I am going to cut some of these and give her a shot. So here is my bundle of cedar that I grabbed from that tree. We'll see if it's enough. We can always go get more. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started, and then I can always go get more of anything I need. So I have 2 of these porch pots here, and I am just taking some of these more scraggly looking ones here. But what I've been seeing is that these are kind of like over the front here. So that is what I'm going for. Sorry. And actually, it's definitely not going to stay in there. Okay, let's take some of these little guys off. Okay, might have to, there we go. And I did have these pots in my house warming up because it has been freezing here. I don't know about where you live, but winter is here. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of layer these as we go here. Got some weeds from the tree farm in there. So I want it to look really nice and full. So I'm kind of sticking them down in there, but that they'll reach over like that. And I'm just cutting these as I go from the branches I have here. I guess that cedar doesn't look too bad. The ones that are more popular are like more droopy over the side. But this is what we got growing in our woods. Okay. My gosh, there's so much stuff stuck in this tree. There we go. Here. Oh yeah, that looks better. And these pruners are amazing. If you don't have a nice set of pruners, I'll link these in the comments. They're my absolute favorite. They are an investment, but oh, I love them so much. Need some more down here. Kind of getting squished. There we go. So before I finish this with the greens and add the rest of my stuff, I'm going to go try to cut some popple. So So this is a little chainsaw I have, a little Milwaukee. I'll see if I can put a link down below. But I'm just going to use that to cut this branch up. So the birch logs were actually quite rotten. But these are the branches from it. And although it kind of looks Halloween-y, I think I'm going to try to make it work because it's something totally different and I'm really excited about it. So I'm just going to add some more greens in here and we'll see if we like it. And these are not going to stay right here, so you will actually be able to get in our front door. There we go. These like way back in here. That's looking nice and full and tall. Definitely different than last year. Although the one last year was really cute. And I saw on someone's that they had ornaments that it was 3 of them, and they used a little small gauge wire, tied them together, and then took the length of that wire and wrapped it around a stick. So then they could stick those in there, and I thought that was such a good idea. I loved that. Oh my gosh, this is so tall now, they don't even touch. Should stay in there. We'll be picking them up off the driveway. And I love that red in there. Really catches your eye. I kind of started working on the second one. All right, I'm going to get the second one together here, and then I'll see what else I can find to add in those. It's different. I don't know. I like it. Let me know what you think. So here's what they look like. Pretty wild, but I kind of love it too. I think I'm going to live with it a few days and then see where I'm going to go from there. But I don't know, it's kind of funny. Kind of matches the front door thing. But I definitely have fun doing it, and it's nice to have something wintry and that looks like this in our front yard. So I hope you enjoyed the video today, and take care.